Hello, TD superheroes. My name is Alejandro Perez, and I am your sidekick. So we're going to continue working on this controller. We got it working where we're building one, but we're going to need several. So we're going to need one for the left eye, one for the right eye, one for the nose, one for the mouth, brows. So we need a brow control, so one for the left and right. So we are going to set up that layout for this control. So right now it's just creating one, and we just called it control. But let's create a function here. Let's grow this and make this a bit bigger, just to make it easier for you guys to see. Okay, so we'll start here, define, and we'll say face controller. So this function is going to create the face. And then we're going to need to make adjustments to this control right here. So that way we can make everything work exactly the way we want it. So let's start off with the brow. We'll say L underscore brow. So we'll do this. We'll run it. Oh, we didn't call this function. Face controller. There we go. So we have the left brow. I want to be able to take whatever this is and adjust it over a set number of units. So that way we can position it. So what we're going to do is add arguments for X and Y. So I have this group right here, 0 group. Cool. I'm just going to rename GRP is equal to whatever this is, because we're done with the GRP up there. And then we're going to say mc.set adder, and then we will say GRP plus dot tx comma x, because that's the variable we're going to be feeding into it. And then mc.set adder grp plus ty and add y. Okay, so let's just say x will be -1 and y will be 1, just to see that it will move. I'm going to create it right on top of this one that already exists. Oh, because it has the same name, it's going to be issues. Let's try this again. Yep. Okay. So, created it, and it is up here. I remember now that we did it 1.25, so I'm going to say -1.5 and then 1.5. There you go. That is on the top left. That's good. And then we'll say create CTRL R underscore brow. Maybe we should call these underscore CTRL. Yeah, we'll just say brow like that. And then we'll say 1.5 comma 1.5 close parentheses. And let's clear this guy and run this. There you go. We have 2 controllers now. So we have one for the left brow and we have one for the right brow. So I'm going to copy these. Since I know it's the same code, it'll be a little bit faster. This is going to be I, and then we can put it there for the X, but we'll leave the Y at 0. Let's clear these and run it. And we need to move it down even further, say 0.5 and 0.5. I think it's going to have to be 0.75, but let us run it and see. Should be negative. Okay, let's try again. That's better. Let's just say -1. Let's clear these. It's had an issue because we already had them existing. I guess it's going to be -1.5. We have to remember to clear them each time. I guess I should have probably done the math, but we are here. That looks good. It makes the math a little bit easier since we know it's going to be 3 units. I could add a little bit more space if I wanted to, but I don't think I will. Okay, then we will create CTRL, and then this is going to be C_nose. I think I might put the nose in the mouth, or we'll create a different type of controller for the nose, because it has sneer and it has the left and right, but that's all we have. A lot of times you'll have more. Yeah, we'll do left and right. Maybe in between lessons I'll create more blend shape, or have them import more blend shapes for the nose. So -1.5. Let's copy this. +3 is going to be 4.5. So this is going to be the right nose. +1.5 at -4.5. Let's clear the scene. There we go. And then we're going to have the mouth. And then this is going to be at 0. And we'll bring this down 7.5 in the negative. Oh, it broke because we already have these. Here we go. There we go. We have the mouth. Something that might be a little bit nice is having them, because we're going to be using the mouth a lot. I'll just leave it like this to keep it simple. Okay, so right now they don't do anything, but they all work, they move, we can do them individually, it's all good. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is create a box around this and name the whole control with maybe the character's name. Maybe like character face controls or something like that. And then we're going to import all of the blend shapes into these controls. And yeah. All right, we're gonna leave this video here, and in the next video we'll start looking at those other elements that we want to do. All right, see you guys in the next video.